Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after this you need to open your settings in your iPhone or iPad, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, click on general, and guys here is the option of transfer and reset iPhone. So guys, simply you need to click on this, and guys click on reset and click on reset network settings, and guys here you need to put passcode of your iPhone that you are using for unlocking this phone. And guys after doing this, your problem, guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys the second method is you need to update your iPhone. You need to click on software update. As you can see here, click on software update, and guys make sure that your iPhone is up to date to latest iOS version. So guys, if you have any kind of update on this tab, so guys simply you need to update your iPhone to latest version, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. Then guys last method is you need to open your Apple Store in your iPhone. So guys simply you need to click on your Apple Store, and guys wait for a few seconds. And guys after this here you need to select your gadget. So guys simply you need to select your gadget, scroll it down, click on scroll down, and guys here is the option of cellular services. So guys simply you need to click on it, and guys after this you need to scroll down, and guys here is the option of call. So guys simply you need to call at these two numbers, and guys tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.